To become a host on Agoda, start by typing Agoda into your web browser and click on the official website, agoda.com. Sign in to your account by clicking the Sign In button and filling out the required email and password information. If you're interested in becoming a host, click the List Your Place button and verify your account by uploading a profile photo, verifying your email, and adding your phone number. Once verified, you can proceed to add a listing, which involves matching your property to attract travelers. You can import a single property or multiple properties, and choose from various options such as an entire apartment, bungalow, house, or villa. Fill out the necessary information, including property size, location, description, amenities, pricing, and photos. After completing the listing, you can publish it on the Agoda website for people to find and book. By following these steps, you can become a host on Agoda and start managing your listings.